In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your hosting IP or DNS IP in Cloudflare. If you're managing your website through Cloudflare, you may need to update your DNS records at some point, whether you're migrating to a new hosting provider, updating your server, or troubleshooting connectivity issues. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to get it right to avoid any downtime for your website. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make this change quickly and accurately. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your browser and log in to your Cloudflare account. Head over to the Cloudflare website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you're using two-factor authentication, be sure to complete that step as well. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains or zones associated with your account. From here, locate the specific domain you want to update. This is the domain that corresponds to the website whose hosting IP you need to change. If you manage multiple domains, make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've selected your domain, look at the top menu and click on the DNS tab. This is where all the DNS records for your domain are managed. The DNS tab is central to configuring how your domain connects to your hosting server, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Now, you'll need to identify the DNS record that corresponds to your hosting server. Typically, you'll be looking for an A record if your hosting server uses an IPv4 address, or an AAA record if it uses an IPv6 address. Scroll through the list of DNS records until you find the one you need to update. The name of the record should match the subdomain or domain you're working with. Often it's just the ATI symbol for the root domain. Or www if you're working with the www version of your site. Next to the DNS record you've identified, you'll see an Edit button. Click on that. This will open up the record details, including the current IP address associated with your server. In the field labeled Content, you'll see the existing IP address. This is where you'll input the new IP address provided by your hosting provider. Carefully replace the old IP address with the new one. It's crucial to enter this information accurately, as even a small typo can cause your site to become unreachable. Once you've entered the new IP address, take a moment to double-check it for accuracy. Verify that the numbers match exactly what was provided to you. This step is important because mistakes here can lead to issues like downtime or misdirected traffic. When you're confident that the new IP address is correct, click the Save button to apply your changes. Cloudflare will update the DNS record immediately, but it's worth noting that it may take some time for the change to propagate across the internet, depending on your DNS settings. After saving your changes, review the proxy status for the record. You'll notice either an orange cloud or a gray cloud next to the record. The orange cloud indicates that the record is proxied through Cloudflare, which means traffic will pass through Cloudflare's servers for performance and security benefits. The gray cloud, on the other hand, means the record is DNS only, and traffic will go directly to your server without passing through Cloudflare. Select the option that aligns with your needs. For most users, leaving the record proxied is beneficial, but there are cases where DNS only might be the better choice. And that's it. You've successfully updated the DNS IP for your hosting server in Cloudflare. Remember to monitor your site to ensure everything is working as expected after the update. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.